LJ here with the Adventure Stop, and we're back here at Disneyland. We're about to give another construction update video, and the last time we were here, this land here, my friends, Galaxy's Edge, was not open, and now it is. And truth be told, I've actually been in there twice, and I kind of have mixed feelings. Well, first of all, I don't have any footage. Number two, my mixed feelings are, hey, it seems like it's a lot of merchandise, cool merchandise, don't get me wrong, for sale. However, there's not a lot to do and see in there, and the food is not that great, guys. So with that said, we'll move on. And what are we moving on to? The Pixar Pals parking structure. Would you take a look at that beast, everyone? What an enormous parking structure, and it's almost finished. If you take a look at the top there, the jasmine plants are being planted. There's some construction workers up there with hard hats doing their thing. The canopy is done, and we'll take a walk over in just a little bit and take a look and see the progress of that pedestrian bridge, all right? Let's go. There it is, everyone, the pedestrian bridge, coming along nicely. And here we are, we're back in downtown Disney. We're gonna go check out a new store I heard that's open right over here next to the old AMC. Ready? Let's go. And there it is, Sugar Boo and Company. Oh, that's neat. Decorations and whimsical stuff. Things for the house. Kind of cool. Alrighty, my friends. Well, there's not much here at downtown that I want to see, so we're going to take our little secret entrance here for the downtown monorail station again. Alright, let's go. Well, I felt like we were just here doing this, and here we are again. Here we go, we're getting on the monorail! And we're here. And we're back here in Tomorrowland. Do you notice anything different? I sure do. The temporary walls in Scrim are gone. And there we have it, just as I thought, everyone. It's the Alien Pizza Planet, and it's up and running 100%. Check that out. And of course, Hyperspace Mountain, only the best version, is back. And I'm kind of curious. Let's head into the Star Trader to see what they have, because it looks like they have Galaxy's Edge stuff. And it looks like some of the Galaxy's Edge stuff is available here. So are you ready, my friends? We're gonna head over to Sleeping Beauty's castle and see it totally uncovered since we were here last time. Let's go. And there's only one word to describe it. Do you know what that is? It's wow. That is amazing. The nice fresh blue paint, the gold spires. What a thing of beauty. Hi, baby ducks. Just look at them. Look at those little baby ducks. Little Disney ducks. So let's head back over to Adventureland, our favorite land. But wait a minute, I don't see that temporary sign anymore. Because would you take a look at that? The arch, it's back, it's up, and it's very adventurous. Glad to see you back. So as we head through Frontierland, we're gonna make our way to Tom Sawyer's Island, and I think I see something new over here. Let's go check it out. Do you see it yet? Do you spot it? That right there, my friends, that boat, that fishing boat, that's new. That was never there before. That's really cool. So we're gonna continue making our way down Big Thunder Trail. Got a little sidetracked by the Rivers of America at the dock. So we're gonna make our way over to one of the entrances to Galaxy's Edge. So my friends, there it is. There's one of the entrances, one of the 3 entrances to Galaxy's Edge. And they're still screening out the guest tour. Invites only if you have hotel reservations at this point. But I can tell you, leading inside there's a lot of open area when you head right through there, and it leads right to the marketplace area where you can buy a lot of little gadgets and little stuffed animals that are Star Wars themed, some pins. There's a little area for the first order if that's what you're into, and that's definitely what I'm into. So I easily spent like $100 on kind of useless stuff, but it's a lot of fun useless stuff, you know? But there it is, everyone, the entrance to Galaxy's Edge. So everyone, I'm getting a little snacky, and I think I want to try one of those jungle juleps back over at the Bengal Barbecue, one of my favorite places. But as a little sidetrack, right across from Tropical Imports, there's a Disneyland mailbox. And did you actually know you can put real postcards in there and they will be mailed? Isn't that awesome? All right, let's go over and get our jungle julep. So many good things on this menu, guys. This is one of my favorites to go to. And there we are. There it is, my friends. It's that easy with the mobile ordering pickup. Jungle julep. We've had these before and they are delicious. So as I walk and enjoy this jungle julep, I feel like I'm in the wrong land, the wrong area. I somehow went to the future, to space. But I'm also in the jungle. What are you gonna do, right? Well, everyone, the last time we were here, this whole area was covered with temporary construction walls. A little bit of scrim here and there as well. But just take a look at that. I wish I had more to report on, but everything's to be back to normal now. So with that said, we're in full operations here, so enjoy Disneyland, everyone. But hey, I'm LJ with Adventure Stop. Thanks for visiting. Come back soon, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.